David, it's Uncle Ian here. I'm hearing you're going to be getting a Rubik's Cube for your Christmas present from Santa or someone else or something like that. But either way, I know one person who can do the Rubik's Cube really, really fast. And that is your cousin Paul. I'm going to hand him this Rubik's Cube and he's going to show how fast he can do the Rubik's Cube. Okay, here you are, Paul. Okay, go for it. Go for it.
Can we just help ourselves, Susan?
Brilliant. Every single side, green and orange and blue and red and white. Absolutely brilliant. Merry Christmas, David. Bye.